Hello everyone, welcome to Figma tips and tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about color styles with variables, where you will see how to map local style with color variable. Here you will find how to organize color styles with help of variables. Like here you can see this all color style or color palettes are showing here, which is using the hexadecimal value. Like a blue is having 0D, 6E, FD. And here is the style. While we click on this, you can find this color. So we can create the color style and we can use an entire project. Even we can create a library or a design system with a color style. In future we can use it. So next is what is the first step while creating the color style with variable. So you will find here variable. So click on this and here you will see this color system which I have created here, and here is the theme color. So within this theme color I have the main colors where it is like a primary, secondary, success, danger, warning. So this all colors are defined here within a variable. So once we have done with this all color, entering or typing within this main color, we can come to this local style, which is like a styles, and click here, create the color and map to the variable. So after mapping to the variable, whenever we need to use this, like here, so just it is an example. So suppose this is a progress bar here, and progress bar is also having some color styles for the like info, success, warning, error. So now I need to give the info, success, warning, error. How we can give this? So here is the field color. Can go here, apply variables. So within this library, you will find this success. So right now I'm using for this message color palette, which is given here color styles. Like this is the error. So you can give this error to this. So within this progress bar, you can define the color which is already given for the message error. So same way I'm going to any of the color, like if it is a warning we can use the warning color, if it is a info so we can use the info color. So if even if you want to add more colors, so you can add within a info the more, like this is a team color. So whichever color you want to add it, it is easy to use and it is easy to map with the design. So let's start with an example which is like a progress bar only, where I'm defining the colors style for the progress bar. Like here it is messaging is having info, success, warning, error. So same way it will group it and it will say the progress bar, and it will have the different colors or the different state of progress bar color. So let's start with an example which is how to create. Come to the variable and here we'll create the collection which is saying the color style, and the next step is to create variable. Click on the color and here you can say progress bar, and we need to make a group. So progress bar forward slash success, or if you want to give the warning, just press enter. So you can see this is the group progress bar, and within this progress bar success is there. So here I need to name it success, and success is having some hexadecimal values which is we'll find it here. So suppose this is the success color, or you can come to the library, you can find this success color which is already there. So generally I will use this messaging success color. So here is the success color. So you can see this success color is attached with this progress bar success color. Now the next is, if you want to add one more, which is the tint value, just right click on this and add the duplicate variable. So here you will find this success, and you can see right tint, and here click on this, and messaging success is having the success tint. So now it mapped to the success tint. So there is a two way, as I said in earlier, like you can map with the color name, or even you can add the hexadecimal value. So while you are going to add the hexadecimal value, so suppose I'm adding one more duplicate variable and saying success light. So now saying success light, I will detach this value, and here you will get this value for hexadecimal. And suppose I'm taking this value, just scroll it, and here it will be the success. So if it is a lighter, you can find out this one. So like this, you can create the hexadecimal values color, even you can attach with the color which is already defined. So next, I want to add the warning. So create variable, click on the color. Here you can say warning. So warning, now we need to add the color. So come to the library. If it is already created, if it is not created, here you can select the warning color. So like this, or you can roll out and you can find your color. So this is one of the way, like a hexadecimal. And if you have defined the color, you can find it here. So here in messaging, here I have warning. So I have attached with this color warning. Now if you want to add one more, the tint color or the lighter color, just duplicate variable, and here you can write, and here is the tint color of warning. Now select this both warning and warning tint, right click and create new group with selection, and say this selection warning. So success is done, warning is done. Now come back to the progress bar main group and create one more color variable, which is header. Now again, we can select the header color from the hexadecimal, this color palette, or either come to the libraries if you have defined. So here you will find the danger, and in messaging you will find the error. So here is the error. Now duplicate this, and we'll use the another color which is tint. So click on this and select the error tint. Now here you can see we have the error success warning. So three different color styles within this progress bar. So first we'll create this new group. Just select both and create new group with selection. And here you can say error. So now progress bar is having three different colors, which is like a success, warning, and error. And if you want to add more within a success, like a lighter and a darker kind of, you can add it. Now move to the next step, which is the style. So here is the style. Click on this. Then you have to select the color, and here Going to name it progress bar forward slash, and here you can say success. Now create a style. So here you can see progress bar success. Just I'm going to move this up. So here is the progress bar success. Now click on this edit style. Here is the color. Go to library, and here all those color variable which we have created in our variable mode. So here you will find this success tint and all. Here you will get the heading like a progress bar forward slash success. So this is the one group progress bar. Within that success is one color. So I am creating this, selecting this success. So within this progress bar, you will find the success. Again, if you want to create this another one, so within this progress bar, you will see that progress bar forward slash success tint, and you can select from the property, library, and success tint. So you got the two color success existing. Now want to add error. So for that, go to the properties and library. Now you will find this error, progress bar error. So select this. So error is there. Now next is warning, and select from the library. So here's the warning, get style. So next, what is the benefit of this doing this? So we can reuse it, and we have the one color style or the design system where all those color styles, any of the like a project we can use, and it will be properly aligned, and we can like all the designers we can use the same color for the progress bar. So now here you can find this progress bar error. So you can select this progress bar error. So the same way, like suppose I'm just duplicating this. This is for the warning, and this is for the success. So three different colors are defined within the progress bar, and here is the like entire color styles which is mapped like a color style where you will find the primary, secondary, success. So next, moving to the dev mode. So once you are here in a dev mode, you will select this, and you will find the name of this like this. You can see this rectangle which I have used here has given the color name progress bar error, and the developers can find easily the variable which I have created progress bar error and the color name. The same way here you can see in a dev mode warning, so background variable progress bar warning. So here they can find the warning color. The same way for the error. So this is like one of the easiest way where we can align with the designs and the development also. Like any of the color, if I'm going to select here, you can find this like a primary. So here you will find the each thing like a typography color where you will see this roboto. So whichever is selected, you need to select this like an inspect element, and you will find this name of the color or which color is used. So this is the benefit of using color styles with variables, or you can say typography or anything. And whenever developers want to see the color hexadecimal value or the name of the color, so they can find it here very easily. And even if they click on this, they can keep look at the collection where it is a color style and the value is message error or this error. So we have to take care of some of the things like while we are creating the collections of the color. So like this is the color style collection name and the value is given the message error, and because I have used here the message error, so if it is directly a hexadecimal value, so it will show the like this. So overall it will show the value, so it will be a, like a easier method to find out the color name and which color is used for the design. So now coming back to the design mode, and any of like a colors we can use for the like a text also, which is defined here in color style. So suppose I'm taking another example. So here it is an example, and this is error. So suppose I want to give this color style. So here is the field. Click on this and progress bar, that is error. So you can define. So throughout we can use this color style while we have created this example. So it is helpful to create in a design system also, or you can create the color style library using this variable and global style. So it will be very easy to use and throughout the project. So this example, or you can say this file is uploaded in Figma community, and I will add the link in a description. For today, thank you very much.